Hey, I'm tour guide, but you can call me tour guide. Today we'll be going on an adventure through the savannah. We will be seeing animals such as the alpaca. So let's go on the adventure. I'll pack up my bags. First we'll be seeing the koala and the elephant. Okay. This is the koala bear, but it's not really a bear.
What do you mean I'm not a bear? I have all like qualifications.
That pun was irrelevant. Okay, second of all, we'll be seeing the giraffe and the sea lion. That over there is the sea lion.
You see me lion. You're giraffing me crazy.
Okay, last but not least, we will be seeing the hawk and the hippo.
Oh, hello there. I'm so skinny. I've been on a diet. Can't you see?
You hypocrite.
I'm so sad now.
Well, this is awkward. Okay, thank you all for joining us. See you later.
Hi, everyone.
What are you doing here?
I need to ask you a favor.
What kind of favor?
You need to stop telling these puns. I'm about to poo on my pants.
Okay, I'll stop with all of the puns, but first, we'll crab dad.
I got broads in the London, music but in the front, credit cards and the scams, hitting the links in the front, legacies, family, man, sit like a fan.
Any puns were unintended.
You're
Yeah,
right.
right.